Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you my everyday beauty routine. Before I start my makeup, I like to floss, brush my teeth, and gargle some TheraBreath oral rinse. Then I'm going in with a moisturizer to prep my skin. I love this one from Walmart. First, I'm using a color correcting concealer around my eyes. Just look at the difference. This one is by Jane Eyre and it's amazing. Now I'm getting some ColourPop foundation and I'm just using my hands to blend that all over my face. Next, I'm going in with some blush on my cheekbones. This Buttermilk blush by NYX is my current favorite. Now I'm going to take a big brush and blend out that blush. For the eyebrows, I'm taking this Benefit eyebrow pencil and just filling in the natural shape. Then I take a spoolie to blend that out and comb my brows into the shape I want. Now I'm going in with this Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in this pearlescent shade to highlight under my brow. I'm taking this pink eye brightener and putting that all over my lids, then this purple shade on my crease, and I blend that all out with my finger. Now I'm taking this Physicians Formula eyeliner and pulling back my eyelid to do a little wing. This takes some practice. Now I'm applying purple ColourPop mascara. I just love how it makes my eyes pop. For the lips, I'm using this Milani lip stain. It doesn't taste great, but I love the color. I'm finishing off the makeup with this L'Oreal setting mist. Okay, now time for the hair. I'm going to do a quick blow dry, and then I'm going in with this Callista blowout brush to get some volume. I'm taking some American Crew pomade to clean up my sideburns and finishing off with some hairspray. Here's my final look. Time to start the day. All the products I used are tagged if you want to try them out for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe. It really helps me out. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.